Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane above, lines L and M are parallel and intersect the x-axis at x equals to A and x equals to B respectively. If A positive B equals to 8, what is the value of A? Okay, the question says that two lines M and L intersect the x-axis at x equals to A and at x equals to B. So these 2 points are the x-intercepts of the given two lines. Okay, now let me consider the x-intercept of the line M over here. So the x-coordinate is the value we have on the x-axis over here, that is A. Always the y-coordinate on the x-axis is 0. So A comma 0 is the x-intercept of the line M. And the same way we can mark the x-intercept of the line L. So here we have the value B on the x-axis. So the x-coordinate is B and the y-coordinate is 0. Okay, here we have these 2 points 0, 1 and A comma 0 on the line M. And we have these 2 points 0, 3 and B comma 0 on the line L. Okay, now using these 2 points, I can find the slope of line M. So let me take the 2 points over here, 0, 1 and the second point is A comma 0. Let me take the first point over here as x1, y1 and A comma 0 as x2, y2. Okay, now let me get the slope of line M. Let me write the stuff over here. And when I know the 2 points on a line, so there is a formula to get the slope, that is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, here the value of y2 is 0 and the value of y1 is just 1. Then we get 0, negative 1, and in denominator we have x2 negative x1. x2 is a and x1 is 0. Then we get negative 1 over a. Okay, now I got the slope of line M. Now I'm going to get the slope of line L using the 2 points we have on the line L. First, let me write the 2 points 0, 3. The second point is B comma 0. Let me take this point as x1, y1 and this point as x2, y2. Okay, let me write the stuff over here. Slope of line L equals to the same formula again. Y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Here the value of y2 is 0 and the value of y1 is 3 and the value of x2 is b and the value of x1 is 0. Then I'm getting negative 3 over b. Okay, now I got the slopes of both the lines, line M and line M. Since the two lines are parallel, then the slopes must be equal. Whenever two lines are parallel, then they must be having the same slope. So the slope of line M and the slope of line L can be equated. When I do so, I am getting negative 1 over A equals to negative 3 over B. Okay, now we can multiply both sides of this equation by negative 1 to get of the negative sign on both sides. So negative 1 times negative 1 over A and negative 1 times negative 3 over B. When I do so, negative times negative will become positive. 1 times 1 over A is 1 over A, and here negative times negative will become positive. 1 times 3 over B is 3 over B. Okay, now we can do cross multiplication over here. There is a numerator on the left side. 1 has to be multiplied by the denominator on the right side. In that case, I'm getting 1 times b is b, and here the numerator on the right side has to be multiplied by the denominator on the left side, that is 3 times a. Okay, now I got that b equals to 3a. Our aim is to find the value of a, and also there is an information, there is a positive b equals to 8. Okay, now let me take this information, a positive b equals to 8. Okay, now let me solve for b in terms of a in this equation. For that we have to subtract a from both sides. When I do so, this positive and negative will cancel. I'm getting b equals to 8 negative a. Now I can plug in this 8 negative a for b over here. Then we'll have this complete equation in terms of a. Okay, now let me plug in the 8 negative a for b. Then we get 8 negative a equals to 3a. Okay, now let me add a to both sides. When I do so, this negative a positive will cancel out. I'm getting 8 equals to 3a positive a is 4a. Let me divide both sides of this equation by 4. This 4 will cancel out. Then I'm getting 8 over 4 is 2. I'm getting 2 on the left side. On the right side, we have a. According to the question, we have to find the value of a. I got the value of a. It is 2. We find 2 in answer choice B. The correct answer choice for this question is B.